Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about something that every teenager dreams of, becoming rich. I know it may sound like a far-fetched idea, but believe me, it's definitely possible. In this video, I'm going to share with you some of the best tips and tricks for becoming financially successful while you're still a teenager. As a teenager, you have the advantage of time on your side. By starting early, you can set yourself up for a lifetime of financial stability and freedom. But it's not just about making money, it's also about developing the right habits and mindset that will help you build wealth and achieve your goals. So, whether you're saving up for a new car, planning for college, or just want to have some extra cash in your pocket, this video is for you. I've compiled a list of strategies that have helped me and many others become financially successful at a young age. So sit back, relax, and let's get started on your journey to becoming a rich teenager. As a teenager, it's important to start thinking about your financial future early on. One way to do this is by developing a strong work ethic and saving money. Whether it's through a part-time job or doing odd jobs for neighbors and friends, earning money and saving it can go a long way in helping you become financially independent in the future. Another key to building wealth as a teenager is investing. Even if you don't have a lot of money to invest, starting early and consistently can lead to significant growth over time. You can invest in stocks, mutual funds, or even start your own small business. However, it's important to do your research and seek guidance from a financial advisor before investing. In addition to saving and investing, learning about personal finance and budgeting can also set you on the path to financial success. Understanding how to manage your money effectively, create a budget, and avoid debt can help you make smarter financial decisions and build wealth in the long run. Overall, it's important to remember that building wealth takes time and effort. But by starting early, developing good financial habits, and seeking guidance from trusted sources, you can set yourself up for financial success and achieve your long-term financial goals. Once you have started earning some money, the next step is to invest it wisely. Investing your money in the right places can help you grow your wealth over time. One of the best ways to invest is to start early and diversify your investments. Consider investing in stocks, mutual funds, or real estate. Before investing, it is important to do your research and understand the risks involved. It is also important to have a long-term investment strategy in place and not get swayed by short-term market fluctuations. Another important aspect of investing is to avoid debt. Debt can be a major obstacle to building wealth, especially if you're paying high interest rates on credit card debt or loans. It's important to pay off your debt as soon as possible and avoid taking on new debt if possible. One way to invest wisely is to seek advice from professionals. Consider working with a financial advisor or investment manager who can help you create a personalized investment plan based on your goals and risk tolerance. It's important to find someone you trust and who has a track record of success in helping clients build wealth. Remember, investing wisely is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires patience, discipline, and a long-term mindset. But if done correctly, it can help you build wealth over time and achieve financial freedom. As a teenager looking to build wealth, you should also consider exploring different types of investment opportunities. Investing can help you grow your money over time, but it's important to remember that it does come with risks. Here are a few investment options to consider. 1. Stocks. Investing in the stock market can be a great way to build wealth over time. As a teenager, you may not have a lot of money to invest, but you can still start small. Look into buying stocks through a brokerage account or a robo-advisor that can help you make investment decisions. 2. Real estate. Investing in real estate can be a good way to build wealth, but it typically requires more money upfront. However, you could consider investing in a real estate investment trust, REIT, which allows you to invest in real estate without having to purchase property directly. 3. Cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum have gained a lot of popularity in recent years. While they are highly volatile and can be risky, some teenagers have made significant profits from investing in them. For mutual funds pool money from multiple investors to invest in a diverse range of stocks, bonds, and other assets. They offer an easy way for teenagers to invest in a range of assets without needing a lot of money. It's important to do your research and understand the risks associated with each investment option before making any decisions. Consider talking to a financial advisor or someone experienced in investing to help guide you. Starting a side hustle can be a great way to earn some extra money and gain valuable experience as a teenager. With the rise of the gig economy and online marketplaces, there are more opportunities than ever to turn your hobbies and skills into a profitable business. Here are some ideas for side hustles that can be started with minimal investment. Freelance services. Do you have a talent for writing, graphic design, or social media marketing? Consider offering your services as a freelancer on websites like Fiverr or Upwork. You can set your own rates and work with clients from all over the world. Online tutoring. If you excel in a particular subject, you can offer your services as an online tutor. Platforms like Chegg and TutorMe allow you to connect with students and earn money on a flexible schedule. Reselling items. Have you ever scored a great deal at a thrift store or garage sale? You can turn your bargain hunting skills into a profitable side hustle by reselling items online. You can use platforms like eBay or Poshmark to sell items and make a profit. Pet sitting or dog walking. If you're an animal lover, you can offer your services as a pet sitter or dog walker in your local area. You can advertise your services on social media or platforms like Rover and Care.com. Starting a side hustle requires dedication and hard work, but it can be a rewarding way to earn money and gain valuable experience. Just remember to balance your side hustle with your schoolwork and other commitments. With the right mindset and approach, you can turn your side hustle into a successful business. Takes dedication, hard work, and a strong entrepreneurial spirit. By following the tips we have discussed in this video, you can start your journey towards financial success at an early age. Remember to always stay focused on your goals, be patient, and learn from your mistakes. Building wealth is a journey, not a destination, and it requires a long-term perspective. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on personal finance and entrepreneurship. Thank you for watching, and we wish you all the best on your journey towards financial freedom.